strike no mo follow me o Facebook no me throw post bi say na bi ye ne say nurses as a TV program na one try na akọ nursing any say na man na akọ I see I feel say generally your health workers e Ghana no ye ntiti mu ye unta akọ ade me sabe so bi frame you do try just you see I always don't want us to pretend nurse for ketu asem enye ta akọ no wo madam fu yonku bi a enka wakọ nanim nurse nim oni kapre okọ abrochoje say watimi aye bibia ono kura hwefie at mu say fiefo frɛ no mu ani da so say sister Penny benya bibia ba
6 months pe no wa ye
you see it's immediate me blame nurse for ni bi say oma so mu internal politics no eka ho because akokwa what I'm confidently told that the MPP government was willing to pay as at May 2024
that's a fact
and amamu internal niema bi manya yi na mo de court therefore my issue was that some internal arrangements in your papa na mo de court to there you cannot entirely hold the people of Ghana to ransom some nkodwuma akokwa mi yi me say constitution da nyina ya no ba kumase enye nyina se yaketu anye multimedia ye wa technical for mo echinchin fidie a onya bihwe ye wo social media for mo ede betu Facebook ma onya bihwe ana kojo janto ye present oda ya no se da bi kwasi yanti ase na mo agree ne ma bi kura na sa meeting na me janto mi nim ana ode ko kumase high court tie eti constitution yo mo maka nyina department aka nyina de mai ewie na jantoa ne group le baba mane se kwasi yi court sem no ye wie but unfortunately that time na aban so eden asesa ana obifu kwasi du company no handle baba nipa fufura kwakwatemi ye o enti say nipa no do wabo na mane no akokwa you throw the budget no into bibi kakra enti no ya establish but na me so me issue kakra me wa aban ne say na bi comment ne ya kasa show dodo to the extent say because say nurses as o ma bombon sebe o ma passing no mo call nursing you see akokwa my issue in this country is that as of intervention so the beba na
sure as you were talking about sir omo internal way on say ABC were teacher for ni mu na your consent teachers one and now your constitutional labor you know say two people crab to me afomo association you know there's some few group bia se uchi mu a omo kote omo honipa ba ko mienu miensa bi kote omo so afomo association and ebi so ate omo so afomo association eti sa ekuo nkitenkite no o hwe omo population kra na nru ba bia no omo mum and ekok sankan anase for dodo aka ni nyina asemu ma ekochim court se ebra negotiation e koso no omo eku kese na ma amane mi wa sa eku no so anu mo tie ne kokese no so kire se omo ama omo notice kra so matikuo bi abete ba bi etina mira no so kire se omo so involve into ko bie court mo mu yi free court kra ko settle ye wie enu na ma case ne de eti ekuoko na espringe nipa mienu etumi form association no ene ma ne ba na sa ekuo ade enwanwa ne se ekuo be mienu miensa enan omo eba no defo na ya na ni minister enam yi aya no mko ehoi etino I believe that na ya nurse for no within ekuo bi pese omo so ebe nyatumi eye kese te se de Ghana Registered Nurse Midwives Association ne tie no entina na no mo yese ma case no ye dey e delay ye
akwa sami na ade ama me no so ne me kan ne se nurse for ni put omo house in order again nuru sei but akokwa no good news enya na say nurses and midwives are calling off strike no but akokwa me adim na adewei o kasere mbesa me no legalistic say bia me be chirechirem na data ne ade
now you were talking about the qualifications
akwa me ba ho ma menya salary ni ma akokwa nim say 2023
right
Hakwa 2023 Ghana Statistical Service the report we mean so for benyama me or say 80% of public sector workers edge just around 3,000 Ghana Hakwa me minimum me nyonku me mediator yi bie no wo ye nurse yi amanta me nim salary ne yi dia ba madam fu bi ne de sende me akokwa hwe yes a wo ye adwuma a wonye 4,000 kra akokwa we nso 3,000 no what ya kra kumase a look at the cost of rent we nya limited to nurses we are public sector according to Ghana Statistics for prepare na fato production me no na 30% of it, also over 80% of Ghana public sector workers, just around 3,000.
Yeah.
I got when the rent you're saying, and the transport you're saying. So men on an nice for now, no issue can cast them. But I think, say, generally, conditions of service of public sector workers and your papa. How come back? Me almost send me on the next strike and say, yes, I think to be teaching hospitals now the way internal arrangement, our health, and you be the man on nurses. Health, leading health practitioner, and community health. Now, I am from and the NHS, papa.
And then you now who treatment the cover.
Exactly. I work at least nurses today. I think I would do level beer. Maybe I'm say very piano, principal nursing officer, someone, senior nursing officer, someone. At least I will help for dear. As a country, no fun.
We know Kojana may be some woman can say, we need health insurance. We then be some say, say health insurance near very potent. Yes, me, yes, yet the Mahama fund in a
exactly.
Question I am be some.
So, if I want to say, or some gaps be a fail amount. Again, I require conditions of service now.
Right.
Pay me checks and me up, me see I'm open channel. Community. I'm so more per book and research allowance for more much radio, more PhD, and master's degree.
Sure.
I work with book and say so more kusuya dia beboying. It way Kenya bone. I'm so more uniform allowance for all nurses and midwives in public sector.
Now or sin nursing tutors are omukura PhD, masters, is all more university no.
Yes.
Oh, your university, omukura masters.
Yes.
PhD.
Yes.
Yes.
I am more book and research.
You so more nurses omukura PhD. If I was already a general secretary for the GRN or a doctor Tenkran omukura PhD.
Yeah.
It is so that person also to say ubia. Ono so ya lecture
na into ono so di book and research allowance eyeye aba won so mo full allowance for principal nursing officer eyeye akwa promote say say political PAC bi kura je ayi gabi wa aminu obe chere politicians o mu PA be so mo di full allowance
na wo start say oye wonim say wo start say e bia diploma wa wram wa be ye bia me fan say staff nurse ansa na bedru sa pin no okay no ya aduma almost 15 years
yes akwa ese mo de no kura free one rank e bu our salary ni increment e be 200 cedis and I said, I said, you papa. Oh, there's too much as a media. I catch you. Should there be a come for the now comes on some open non-basic allowance, 8% of monthly salary. And no, I said, saying non-basic, no.
Non-basic, no, I say a Sicanoa. Single spine only a
oh, okay. Now, come me can't dear me who say I didn't. But buying so you better 2 billion and I did 2 billion about become budget now. Yeah, your best. Abuato ayemo maba communicate na de bia mo kano mo kasa na na bia no hyedodo ene enko fa old nurses me na ko fa old nurses aba how what will even be the arrangement of the system yeah kwa komo bia e course o maba no ye do mase ba ne esra ban ne say sometimes yenye holistic overview of the salaries of the public sector akokwa teacher ni be tena o da ahwe teacher udi teacher ni phone 3 minutes be alone company be sending the text message 3 minutes be alone company be sending the text message. Omo cars nye teacher from minimum nyina omo cars the donate been call long journey.
So now we say every omo free retired nurses na ebinum buy omo so omo kra omo call pension pay no kra no.
Akwa na teacher ni pension pay there what as e kire o. Okoko no wo ba bi na menya asase ato so hu akokwa eye sad it be there e ba ne ma bi say ya yenye depoliticization of the issues generally akokwa public sector workers no omo salaries nya me kra na menya mo highest ranking e ba na ese midwife no mdu ba bi a cars bi a e bi a victim bi na e dia so mo nsa akokwa you see akokwa anenye he me ba NSS scandal na so a e no na ye me main so radio me tete ho me baswa obewu se betimi aye tana manfo ye ne so man ne ni sika na me bo ye fu ye wo sika but it's about prioritization
ye beto tuni ye
won akokwa me metie me pay ba ye wo niam be fe ni need ene ye wo want akokwa mo se na mo se need ni na hia enya want what at here me gina hey me dream plan ne for 2020 no e me fe pan be ye want tese me nya kaprento. That is what the nation is about. So this is my first story.
Right.
Now, my second story, no.